Hello, what are you checking on?
I'm checking on this
Some-
steakhouse called Cattleman's Steakhouse.
Okay, somewhere where we're gonna go and kind of celebrate. We're not quite done yet, but tomorrow I think may be the last time we're here, or Thursday morning, whatever.
We're hoping.
Yes, and Momi's, she's still working on the tub. She felt a couple little spots. Is this dry?
No.
Okay, I better not touch it.
Another.
She put some more stuff on here, and we gotta let it dry, and she's gonna be back at it tomorrow, sanding again, and we gotta get the paint on there tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
And we may have to put 2 coats, but it says it dried. What is it? How long does it take before we can put a second coat on? Maybe a couple hours or something.
I think it's 2 hours.
And then it's got to cure like 48 hours?
48 hours.
Some silly thing like that. Well, we're not going to be here. The place is going to be open for business to be sold. Oh, that's so cute. That little light right there.
We have to put those.
I've got smoke detectors to put up still tomorrow. I've got some more doorknobs. I've already put a few doorknobs on.
Yeah.
And the door bumpers on the back side of the door. I like using these. See how big those are? Those are good ones to use. And didn't the hinges come out looking really nice, huh? You like those?
Really sharp. Everything is really top
Those are nice.
notch.
And they were only $2.37 each at where?
Home
Depot. And I went ahead and put some screws on your toe kick. The skin was loose, and we put some. They had a toe kick down there, and then they put a skin layer on there, and it was kind of pooched out, and so I had to re-screw it and reattach it. We got good. We got that window closed.
Everything's.
And I've got the ceiling fans all put back together, the light, the trim up there.
The blinds.
Oh yeah, we've installed all the blinds.
The doors.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
You put new knobs in here.
Yeah, you like those?
I love them.
I reattached.
And then he put them.
I reattached the closet pole in the brackets, and I put the little glides down here at the bottom into our nice little blocks, and those run really nice now. And the other time-consuming thing I'm going to have to do tomorrow is caulk. And see, this is what I'm talking about. We want to put a nice bead of caulking there, and oop, hey, what happened there?
Momi tried.
Momi tried to do that. She thought I can caulk, and I thought, okay. I showed her a little section on how I did it. Then she did it right in there, and I had to wipe it off. And then I did it from there on to the corner and right to there. That's how I want it to look. Then she tried it. I gave her another technique to try, and then she tried it over here, and I had to wipe that off because it wasn't coming out very good. She wasn't really liking that caulk down. It wasn't really agreeing with her. And so tomorrow, I've got lots of caulking to do. I've got to go around the door jambs, the trim, inside here, all the way along here. Look at all of this caulking, all of that caulking. And then I'm going to put some brown at the doors, right down in there, brown, because it's up next to the brown, and next to the door jamb right here. We're going to put a nice brown caulking. Let's show them. Let's see what's happening out here. I put some.
We got a lot of work done today.
I put this weather stripping back in that little groove.
Brand new.
I had this one was a crappy piece that was all beat up down at the bottom, so I got 2 brand new ones, and then I cut the long one, a short piece up there, and these are brand spanking new. Where'd we get them, baby?
Home Depot.
Home Depot. Hey, let's take a look at your little patch here. Let's open up the gate. Go
Well,
ahead and open it. Go ahead and open it. Wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. Back and forth you go. Ooh,
Yeah.
what happened there? Did it move?
It did indeed. It did.
Oh,
It moves.
it's this.
Yes.
It's that.
Well, don't keep doing it because I don't want you to mess up my work.
That rock looks good. But
Please
I'm not,
don't.
okay, I'm not sure how that loosened up.
Well, please don't.
Okay.
Thank you.
That looks good.
I just need it to dry.
What I can do tomorrow is take might be able to get my screwdriver in there and beat that in just a little. See, that shouldn't be like that.
The rock too. I don't want you to crack the
Well,
rock. Please stop.
nothing's happening now. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so she got that. Okay, go ahead and lock it. Wiggle it back in there. How you did it.
I put WD-40 on it too,
Yeah.
so that it would go, because it's a little bit snug.
Yeah.
But that's good for,
Yeah, that's
security.
fine. That's fine.
You have
So-
children or dogs.
And then I put new weather stripping up around this door. Oh, I used the same weather stripping, put that back up around in here. I had to retrim it because the guys who installed it initially, they didn't know how to install it. They just kind of foo-pawed it up there. And so, okay, I guess we're out of here. We've got all the light bulbs working. I had to replace a bulb over in there. We got some new bulbs for the bathroom and for this light. See how much brighter those three are? And the old ones, we had two old bulbs, and I put them in here to save for the new owner. But these are the same wattage as those, but those are older, and they weren't as bright for some reason. They were still 60 watters. But in any case, we got that all in there, and we're just about done. We've got to finish the bathtub tomorrow, caulk, finish the doorknobs, and I got to put the smoke detectors up. I'll probably put the smoke detectors up first thing, get the batteries in there. I want to make sure that we don't have any of them chirping. And before I put those up, well, actually, I guess I'm okay. See, I didn't disconnect that little pigtail. See, that little pigtail came with the smoke detector, and it was all wired up in there. So even though the power is still on there, I can just plug that into the smoke detector, put the mounting bracket in there, put the battery back up in there, and hope that all of the smoke detectors still work. Oh, we got to get another thing. What do we have to get at the store?
Carbon monoxide detector.
A carbon monoxide detector. We got a gas stove, and the realtor said, hey, we need to have one of those in here. So we're gonna take it, and we're probably gonna plug it in right down in there, just to make the realtor all nice and happy. And hey. Okay, so shall we go? You're gonna take me to dinner?
I am going to take you to dinner because this guy is amazing.
Joe, it's Video
This
Joe.
guy, VideoJoe, is amazing.
But you know what? I show people how to do stuff.
You do.
And if I can do it,
I can do it.
You've seen it. You've seen just about everything I've done, other than the caulking. Yeah, you couldn't do that. But if I had you just sit here and do one whole room,
Well, I did a lot of stuff. I've done
do good.
the fiberglassing.
Yeah, you did pretty good, huh?
I've been taking my sander. I bought a brand new sander.
Yeah, you did. An orbital sander. That's
Orbital sander.
orbital sander.
Yes, Bosch. And then I mortared
Mortar. Yeah,
that huge crack in that rock.
yeah.
So-
All around that crack. That turned out nice.
Yeah, it turned out very
That turned out nice.
Yeah, the
And,
house is really coming together. Everything is really looking beautiful.
And-
And I've cleaned all the appliances and we are ready. to
These
rock
were
and roll.
stainless steel outside edges. Well, they're not real. Well, some of them are real stainless steel, some aren't, right? But you took stainless steel cleaner
Everything
to.
that's silver is stainless steel.
Okay, so you
So
took
this is it stainless, that's stainless.
you took
that's
stainless steel cleaner.
Yes.
We got a new dishwasher, And
Yeah,
she wanted to get a
we
stainless steel one, which was nice because now it matches everything else. You could have got a chintzy cheap one that was just black, would have been a little bit cheaper, but you got the stainless steel. I mean, that's a good touch.
Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.